In this section, we're going to assemble our book trailer. Before we start, you'll need to pull pertinent information from your book, like setting, characters, plot, and theme. Like a movie preview, you want to include exciting parts without spoiling the ending. Here we go. As you can see, in my video 1 slot, I have clicked and dragged the background images to the movie 1 slot. You can change the duration by sliding back and forth like this. Then you can overlap text boxes by going over here to the text section. When you add a text box, you can type in whatever you want here. Choose your font here. Obviously underline or align like this. Change the size. You can also animate the text. So for example, if you want it to zoom out at you, you can click Start. Make sure it's blue, and it'll be small when it starts. Then you can click End, and it'll be big when it ends. You can also edit the fade in and fade out here. Fade in for 1 second, fade out for 1 second, and it'll all kind of gradually move from one image to the other. You can also, when you start, if you want it to scroll up, you make it the same, okay? The scale is the same, but you're going to, say for example, you want it to scroll up. You're going to, while it's on start, you're going to put the text box down here, and then end, you're going to put the text box up here, okay? And then, once you're done, you're going to click Done Editing.